to the exciting world of thousand
Dali,
vlogs.
dali, di. Ano masasabi mo? Anything comment?
Mount Buller welcomes international and interstate guests, adventurers, and travelers looking for a unique winter experience. Only 3 hours from Melbourne and the closest Australian ski resort to an international airport, you'll spend less time on logistics and more time enjoying the charming snowy village. Whether you're carving down the slopes, building a snowman for the first time, or relaxing by the fire, Mount Buller offers a mountain of moments you'll remember long after the snow melts. No matter if you're just learning or have years of experience, choosing the right runs makes all the difference. And at Mount Buller, there's a perfect slope for everyone. More than just skiing, more than just snow. Mount Buller is where winter magic happens, with something for everyone, both on and off the slopes.
What would a man not do? What would a man not say? What would a man not agree to? What would he not betray? Where would a man fear to trespass? Where would a man not stray? What crime would a man not admit to?
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hey mate, how's things? You good, how are you? Yeah.
Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. race down the toboggan run with the kids, take a guided tour of the mountain, or soak up the alpine views from the sightseeing chairlift. Dive into over 100 years of history at the National Alpine Museum, catch a film at Australia's highest cinema, or wind down at one of Mount Buller's many bars and restaurants. Come for the skiing, stay for the apers. With a huge variety of bars, cafes, and restaurants, Mount Buller always serves up something delicious. From quick bites to gourmet feasts, cozy fireside drinks, and lively nightlife, the Winter Village caters to every craving and occasion. So, who's hungry?
Wait lang, I can't even get this to fit. It's stupid Bayo. It's the stupid finger. Huwag ka na umupo man. Doon tayo sa snowman. Ayun, doon tayo kay Olaf. It's not Olaf. That's Olaf. Yeah. How you tell me to get this on? Just use one. So you have to have one. Picture mo. Come on, you're being the official photographer. Where's my phone? Gusto ko kay Olaf. Picture mo. Gusto phone.
Aray!
Oh!
Sabi nang wag sa mukha eh.
Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below.
Can I order myself?
One, two, fat!
1, 2, 3. Wag ka masyadong gumaya.
One, two,
I ordered
fat!
myself.
Thank you for watching.